What's going on, beautiful people? Today we traded on the 50K evaluation account that I just got through Apex. This is the first day of trading. It's first day of trading starting Monday today, September 22nd. And it was a choppy little morning right here. We ended up getting a solid little trade for a 1-to-1 off of this high volume node back when, let's see, it started forming back over here. I didn't, it just started pushing. So I didn't get anything. I waited until I started to see that high volume node started forming and getting bigger and bigger. I noticed that. So then I realized that these wicks kept rejecting. So I got in with a stop order to the downside for just a 1-to-1. Then the POC moved up. That gave me more confidence to keep the trade going. And that's when I got my 1-to-1. So like I said, I did get chopped up in the morning. There was just price action was being weird at that time, and just because of the overnight volume profile levels, there was a few zones I could have traded off of. I did, but then I got stopped out, and then just not confident in my trade idea, I stopped trading for a bit until price came to another consolidation area, and that's when I saw a high volume node, and that gave me the confidence. And like I said, once it got closer, once I got in with my stop order, that gave me the confidence to hold the trade and hold it for a 1-to-1. Now it's shooting up. I'm not getting in. I'm not even thinking of getting in. I'm just gonna keep what I made for the day, which was 538, and come back tomorrow and see what happens. But we will fight for another 1-to-1 tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But right now I'm trading volume profile, and so with the volume profile, it's a lot different than the 30-minute orb. I used to trade, like I said, the 30-minute orb, but I wasn't getting setups every day like I would with volume profile, and it felt like I was a part of the retail trap, and with volume profile I feel like I'm less a part of the trap. I feel like a lot of these algos and a lot of these institutions, they rely on the retail strategies to fail so that they can gain profit, and I noticed that a lot of the profitable traders use order flow. This is a form of order flow with the volume profile. So I started to introduce this about a week ago or two. I was already working on it and with it about like a year ago, but I gave up on it, and I'm giving it a try again. So we'll see how it goes. That's why I'm not using my own money. I'm using a funded account instead. And well, yeah, we'll see how it goes for this week. I am just gonna capture the journey, and hopefully you guys stick around to watch it. So yeah, solid day. Like I said, choppy morning, nothing too crazy. And then I got this really good play over here in this high volume node, which wasn't the POC, but then turned into the POC. So we'll see what tomorrow brings us. Should be exciting. And yeah, if you want to follow along, I do have a Discord as well. Links in the description. There's a 3-day free trial, so you don't have to stick around if you don't want to, but yeah, 3-day free trial. So check it out. I posted my 30-minute orb trades on there, and I'm going to start posting these volume profile trades. So yeah, check out the videos during the week, and I'll see you guys then.